What's up, guys? It's August 16th, 2024. Oh my gosh. As you can see, there's an ad down here. Having problems with my TradingView account because they want me to update my authentication, but I can't update it because they're telling me I have to pay for it. And I'm trying to pay for it, but when I pay for it, they tell me I tried to reset my password and messed it up, so they said I had suspicious activity, and now I can't get back in to pay for it, so I have to email them. So you guys are gonna see ads for a couple days until they get back to me. It's kind of annoying. I can't have the 45-minute chart up right here. This is the daily chart. I just drew in a gap. Bulls got a gap in today. Had follow through after big bear bar. So we have expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction. The bull spike. No opposite bars, but we are no opposite bars, no lower lows. Just trending. It's a trending market. It'll be interesting to see what happens. We're trading right here, and we're getting a pause. We've had a leg one pause, leg two pause, leg three pause. So we'll see what happens after the first bear bar. Is it going to be a first pullback and we go higher, or is it going to be a double top and we sell off? I think this whole structure right here is strong enough to get its own second leg. 50% of this is testing this breakout point, so maybe we go sideways to down for a little bit. 45-minute chart is oh yeah, okay, so we're gonna have these boxes up. All right, bear flag, reverse bear, it's a bear flag that gets a bullish breakout, double bottom, leg one, pull back leg two. We go sideways, bear starts to get trapped below the EMA, and that starts another leg here. Here we can actually see some leg counting. Leg one, trend line break, leg two, and I see another trend line break right here. Something like that nature, and then that makes leg three. We go sideways, range bound, another bullish breakout. Hardly any opposite bars. Oh my gosh, that sucks. Every time I see that, I don't understand. Like, okay, I guess I typed in the wrong password a bunch of times. So, but they're saying that I have to enable two-step authentication, and to do that, I have to pay for the account. But when I pay for the account, it says to enable it, and when I enable it, it says to pay for the account. So I'm just like, I can't do either. So I have to email them after this video and try and sort that out. Because imagine if I'm in a losing position and I see an ad, I'll throw my monitor out the screen window. I'm joking, kind of. That's why you guys don't see the hard time from EMA, because I can't have any indicators on the chart right now. But it doesn't matter. We're trading above the 45 the indicator right now. We're trading above it. The 45-minute EMA is down here somewhere. Big gap up. Yep, yesterday we got a big gap up. Trend data sideways. In the morning we went sideways for about an hour. Yesterday ended in a sideways price action above the EMA. Bar one. Bar one's low is testing yesterday. Wow. How did I not catch that? Hold on. Okay. Bar one, gap down, bull bar, testing the breakout of 18 yesterday. Leg one, pull back with two, pull back with three. Bar two, bull bar. Its range bar has more tail. Bar three, also range bar, has a huge tail that's high. Bulls are trying to go for a tag here. They fail. Bar four, good bull body, not closing with bar three's high. This is more of a range with bullish price action because we have a lot of back and forth trading on a lower time frame. That's what those tails are. Bar six, bulls finally 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, bar five. Bars tag the EMA. Bulls bar five. Hold on, I'm about to laugh. Bar five, bulls go for a tag of the EMA versus lower. Bar six versus opposite bar. We have a 5 bull bar channel. I think it's strong enough to get some sort of leg two. Bar seven, strong breakout. Oh, bar seven is a leg two, big tail. Bulls are trying to go for a new high of the day. Bar seven, bad follow through. Bar eight starts the flag. It's a sort of a triangle forming higher lows and lower highs. 5 pushes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gets a bullish breakout. So now we're in the leg three, right? Leg one, opposite bar, pull back leg two, opposite bar, pull back leg three. And we have a bear bar. So this is looking like a parabolic wedge top. After a gap down, bulls were trading around yesterday's high. Bar 12, follow through for the Bears. Bad close, bouncing off the EMA. Bar 13 breaks below the EMA. Good for the Bears, but we've had a pretty tight bull channel and after a bull trend. Bar 13, range bar sells off. Bad follow through for the Bears after breaking out below the EMA. Bar 15 is a good bar 15 is good, but it's also the second leg. And bulls want a trend, Bears want a range, and then a reversal. So we have to ask ourselves, where are these tails telling us on 14 and 15? 15 starting to test the high, the breakout, or excuse me, 14 is testing these highs. 15 is going a little bit lower, testing the open of bar 7. And here we go, strong bear bar 16. They go and pull back like 2 again. It could be a trap for the Bears, second leg trap. Bar 7, 16, 17. Bar 17 is a strong bull leg, goes above the high of bar 16. So if 16 was such a strong bear bar, why did 17 go above its high? So there should be more. Well, you can't, and then one could argue there are more sellers because look at the close, it was bad. However, look at the open, there's a small gap up. So the close of 16 is 51.75. The open of 17 is 54.25. Oh wait, let me do this one more time. The close 54 even. The open is 63.75. So it ticked up. There was a gap up by 1 tick and then a rally. So there's some strength going on there. 18, good for the Bulls. Strong follow through after 2 legs down, and their Bears are failing to make a new low. 17, good bull bar, but it's not closing strong above the EMA, so it could be a pullback. Bar 19, bad follow through for the Bulls, good for the Bears, but if it's for the Bears, it's a third leg down. It's creating a double top breakdown with the bar 15. 21, market's going more sideways. We've had a big up, big down move. 22, sideways price action with a bear body. It's a range bar. 23, another range bar, but now we have a bull body. Every time it sells off, it reverses higher. Sells off, reverses higher. Sells off, reverses higher. That's happened 4 times in a row with bars 20 through 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 times in a row, it sold off, reverse higher, sold off, reverse higher. Bear closes, but bull pressure below the candle. 24, breaking out above the EMA. 25, bad follow through. 26, another strong bull bar closing on its high. 27 is also a good bull bar. If we were going to see a buy close rally, this is the kind of bar I want to see in multiple bars in a row, like 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these bars, which is a really rare occurrence. But this is 27, looks like a good bull bar. Hope it gets follow through. It does. 28, big tail on 28. Could be testing, could be more sellers. We're trading at the range highs here. 29, first trend line break, so breakout here. 29, first trend line break by the leg 2 move. 30, bad follow through. 31, opposite bar. 32, bull bar. 33, good follow through. I'm counting like 1. So there's multiple ways to count this. I like to restart the count above the EMA, so you can count it like 1. Oh my gosh, the heck! My computer's spazzing out today. Like 1, pull back like 2, opposite bar, pull back like 3, kind of, if you want. And we're also breaking out above the high, so this could be a leg count reset. Leg count reset, 32, 33, 34. It's a bear gap. Excuse me, a bear gap. What am I talking about? There's a bull gap being put in on the breakout. So bears are getting trapped at a breakout. So that the bear stops are getting ran. That one of the double top limit order traders want limit order bears want a double top. They get trapped. There's a gap now. That's good for them. 33, 34, 35, 36. So here we have another trend line break after breaking out above the high. So we broke out above the swing high. Here's the swing high. Broke out 36, first trend line break. That's a sloppy bar. Okay. Straight. So we broke out above the swing high, 36, opposite bar. We go for another leg, 37, 38, 39, opposite bar. 40, 41, 42, becoming climactic, wedge top. 3 legs after breaking out. So look at this. Look at this price action here. This is cool. I was looking at this yesterday when I was chilling at work. Excuse me. I'm doing this on Saturday, so I'm talking like it's Friday. So when I say yesterday, I meant Friday. But I'm still going to talk like it's Friday. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3 into the EMA. Into the swing high. Breakout. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. So, because 3 legs is the completion of a wedge and it had a bullish breakout. And then we have another 3 legs here. 43, 44 bull bars. Excuse me. Bear bar is that high. It's not good for the bulls. Starting to go more sideways. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Bears finally make a lower high at highs. They want to go more sideways. However, if you're getting short here, you have to either scalp out a tail. But I mean, we have well over 10 bars above the EMA. We have multiple bull gaps. There's another bull gap here. 40, 42. Excuse me, let me get some water real quick. Okay, thank you for waiting. Here we also have a micro wedge I saw while drinking water. Micro wedge, double top. But is it good to get short even if that is a micro wedge? Is it good to get short even if it's a micro wedge and we've had a lot of bull trends or a lot of bull gaps, bull bars? Probably not. Probably want to wait for a decent amount of bear bars below the EMA, you know, 5 or 6 before you decide to get short, or maybe even 10. Price is going more sideways. Double top sells off. Here's a scalp. Stop order bears made a couple points. 54 pullback. Second leg 1, pullback leg 2. Testing the, what is 57 test? So we're testing the gap. The gap is staying open. 58, good bull bar. 59, bad for the bulls, good for the bears. Bears want to see lower prices. However, we go more sideways. We've had a big up, big down. Big up, big down, big up, big down. Where are we in the market cycle? We're at the end of the market cycle. What happens at the end of the market cycle? Range. And there's your range. So the market cycle, we could say, so including yesterday's price action, breakout, opposite bar channel. We go range bound here for this whole market cycle. So range bound. And then on this price action here, we could say the market cycle reset here or reset here. Breakout above the EMA. First opposite bar 36. Channel. So excuse me. Breakout above the EMA. First opposite bar 31. Channel leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. What happens after 3 legs? We typically go sideways. And there's that sideways price action completing the market cycle again. So now we're at the end of the market cycle, waiting for a breakout. I'm gonna draw these gaps in. Let me know how you guys are doing when you're trading. Curious. Some of you guys have been messaging me, so that's really sick. Thank you for talking in the Discord as well. I appreciate it. I get bored during the trading day. No gaps. Range bound price action has no, well, there are gaps, but they're being closed, so it's range bound price action. And here, as you see, we have our first zero height gap, precursor to bull strength. The high of 26 is 65.50. The low of 28 is 66. So this is the first gap. You could argue it gets closed with the tail on 29. I get that. But just like look at it. It's like bull pressure starting to pick up. They get the breakout. Remember yesterday's price action was bullish. No gaps, another gap, and this gap's important because it's a gap that's breaking. It's a breakout gap. See, I haven't really been talking about it, but depending on where the gap is also important. Is the gap before the breakout, on the breakout, or above the breakout? Yeah, so that's something to think about if you're studying gaps. Here's another gap, and look, so we had some gaps, but then we go sideways and the gap's closed. Bears get a gap in here, but bulls close that quickly. Every bull gap is getting closed, every bear gap's getting closed. We have another gap here that got closed on this leg here. Fractal leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Or we can go leg 1, pull back leg 2. I don't know why that went crooked. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Leg 1, opposite bar, pull back leg 2. Leg 1, range bar is a type of pullback. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. So lots of ways to count. Let me know how you guys are doing. Yeah, I will talk to you guys on Monday, or hit me up in the Discord. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye.